really quick. Just do a quick lineup. 40cc, 125, 110, my 125, and we just got a new 50. Not new, but I'm gonna fix that one and sell it. It's got a couple little issues. A couple four-wheelers and a blown motor in our Yamaha TTR. A blown motor on that thing too. All right, we're going to get some ice cream. My messy ass garage. Look at this. You can tell I've been working in here like an idiot. Oh, hang on 1 second. I gotta turn the AC on in this bitch. I gotta get a bigger unit for this garage. It's too small. Where are we at? Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Too much tuning left. Alright. Here's the truck. I gotta fix that too. Got to fix everything. Gotta do it. Got bang it. There's Mama Bear. Goodbye, Sally. Oh, hell no. Hell no. Get out my seat. You get out my seat.
Maybe your stuff's up there.
Thanks, babe.